people, welcome back to another video. I am here with my sister Maya.
Hi guys.
You've seen her before in another 2 of my videos, I think. So today we're gonna be
2? What other one?
Yeah, the prank calls.
Oh yeah, that was good.
And the porch teller. So we are going to be doing a unboxing, and it is from Oh Polly.
Yeah, it took a year and a half to come in.
It did take a year and a half to come in, but it is finally here, and we are finally gonna do the unboxing for it. So this is the box.
Yeah, it comes.
It's actually really cute.
Comes in a really cute
box. A
box.
little damaged, but that's okay because it came all the way from Australia.
So that's probably why it took so long.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so it took really long to come in. On the website it said from how long?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks international shipping, because this is an Australian website, and it took almost
a long time, like 3 months.
3 months, like 2.5 months to get in.
But I feel like that also could be due to the problem that's going on in the world right now, that like shipments just got delayed. But we here.
We literally forgot what we even ordered because it was so long. So anyways, she has 3 dresses, I have 2 dresses. We're gonna give you guys honest reviews, and I can't wait.
So who wants to start?
I'm so excited. We haven't even tried them on yet, or like open them. Okay, you start because you have 3, or do you want me to start?
I could start. I'll put one on.
Okay, you start.
Okay.
Okay. Disclaimer, I'm wearing pajama pants, okay? Okay.
Okay, so I'm usually size 8 in Australian sizes, and I'm pretty sure that's a small, and then a 6 is an extra small. But this is a 6 because they only had 6 left. Yeah.
But it's stretchy or no?
It's very stretchy, yeah.
Like it?
Yeah,
it's stretchy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
But it's also really tight, so it like gives you that like
is it comfortable
curve effect. Yeah, you can like sit, do squats.
Because that's what apparently you're gonna be doing while you're
you're gonna be doing squats. So yeah, I like the color and everything is really cute.
So you like it?
So
what on a 10? I like it.
I like it. I think a 9.
Yeah. I feel like you could dress this down and dress it up.
Yeah, like I feel like if I wore like white running shoes, I could like
go
to the grocery store in it. What?
Okay.
If I wore
no.
And a hat, yeah.
Casual, I mean like pretty like sandals, and like you're just going out on the town, and then like fancy dinner, you put some heels on and jewelry. Like
you could fancy it up for sure.
It's very like summery.
It's very fresh.
Look at my pajama pants in the mirror.
It's nice for like a cooler night because it is like thick material.
Okay guys, now we're gonna go on to one of my dresses. Which one should I try on? The red one or the nude? Well, not nude, creamy color.
I kind of want to see the cream one.
Okay, we'll start with.
Oh, we didn't show like the inside and stuff.
It's a box, and this is. Who's trying to take me out? Who's trying to take me out? Okay, wait, you have to set me up. Yo, this dress is fire! Holy shit, I was so scared about this dress. Holy shit. Yeah, am I allowed saying that on YouTube?
Sure, I don't know.
This dress.
Can I tie this?
Is no, I kind of like it like that. You want it like in a bow?
I don't know. No.
No, it looks good just falling.
Yeah.
It's so cute. It's like a little like princess dress or something.
It's really cute.
Okay guys, so the quality is like really good. I'm surprised because it's like risky getting like silk dresses because sometimes the silk looks like fake, like not good. But this is like, it looks expensive.
This is like a 10.
It's a 10. Like it like cinches.
Okay, the only thing that I would improve is this if they made it all like this band here. There's like this ruffle, like elastic all the way down so that it kind of stretches to your arm, because right now it's loose.
Okay, what I was gonna say is they have this weird material.
Oh, and they should have hid that.
Inside, and it's kind of itchy. I don't know why that's there, why it's necessary. There's like weird, like plasticky hard material in the
You
poofy
should have
sleeve
hit
area.
it with a material so that you don't feel it on your skin.
Yeah.
But other than that, appearance-wise,
and I was scared it was gonna be short, but like it's not short. Like so here it is more closer up. This part is very low, like a centimeter lower. These bad boys would be out. So if you have bigger boobs, I feel like you wouldn't be able to wear this dress.
Wear this dress at all.
This is for the small titty committee.
Like I would not be able to wear that.
No,
dress.
like
right now, their material and like style of the dresses are really nice.
I love like the detail in the cutouts
like
and
this,
everything.
like all.
Yeah, it's super cute.
But like it's actually cute.
I like it. I like the poofy sleeve. Poofy sleeve, a good poofy sleeve makes a dress real
Probably
nice.
like no bra straps, but I have one on. But like,
yeah, we got a little open back action.
yeah, it's like an open back. So
and I like
this,
the ruffle that goes down the middle.
Say no bra straps, but like the ruffle is super cute, and I kind of like this like
the square cutout.
Square cutouts, kind of like a statement.
Yeah, it's like really elegant.
But like it's really cute.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's like the last material. Like it's
stretchy.
Yeah.
You can't walk in this. Okay, I love this dress and I never wear this color. It's like a red, but almost a maroon.
I like this thing. It's not popular, but I like it.
It gives you some boobage.
It makes your boobs look like you have them.
And can I say this brand does a... No, don't say that. That's rude. I'm shocked. I really like this dress. I love the color and I never wear like this color, like that red maroon. So I thought I would like go to my comfort zone and like buy it in this color. And yeah, this is super cool, really flattering. And
it is like this is like not a popular look that people do, but I think more people should hop on it because it is flattering.
Also, the brand does a great job with like cinching the waist. I don't know how they do it, but like I suddenly have one. This is the length, which I also find super flattering on any body type. That cut right there is just super nice. But I must say, you cannot really walk in this dress like.
It's too tight.
It feels weird. Like
on
it feels
knees.
like I'm like. I'm gonna give this dress like an 8 out of 10 because you can't really walk in it, and that's kind of a problem.
Yeah.
So it's for those days where you are going out and you're gonna be sitting the whole time.
Yeah, like a dinner date.
Yeah. I don't
that you
go
don't
on those.
go on. Oh.
Thank you so much for watching our Oh Polly review.
I have one more dress.
You guys?
And on to the next dress. Okay. My dress is this way. It's gorgeous.
Let me see.
I just
go back. It's cute.
Just the shoulder.
But these aren't staying up, which is like a problem.
My honest opinion, folks. I love the feel. The inside material is the softest thing. Like it feels like I'm in a cloud. Like it's actually super soft.
I like it.
I love the ruffle and the detailing on the dress.
A lot of detail.
But the detail's like perfect.
And it's like a good length. It's not too short.
Not short. I'm not wearing a bra either, so it has like a built-in type of bra thingy.
Yeah, all the dresses we got I feel are good without a bra, except for your first one you kind of need something.
Yeah, my first dress I needed one. The only thing is like the sleeves. Like they have this thing with like
they're
like
they're not
whose
tight.
shoulder goes all the way up to Antarctica. Like you literally need a shoulder that goes up to here for it to stay.
Yeah, it's too loose.
It's like, so if I can like fix the sleeve situation, it would be like obviously a 10 out of 10, but probably right now it's like an 8. See?
Yeah, that's it. That would be annoying all night, having to like...
So we're gonna wear these going to the grocery store tomorrow.
Oh my god, we should.
Hey guys, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
Alright guys, so that concludes our dress review for Oh Polly. If you liked any of the dresses that we wore today and tried on for you, the links are down below for you.
Yeah. Comment what dress was your favorite and be sure to subscribe and give this video a
Thumbs up. Until next time, love yous.